In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur text in CapCut PC. If you need to hide private names, email addresses, or any other sensitive information inside a screen recording or video clip, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal is to place a blur over only the text you want to cover, while keeping the rest of the footage nice and clear. To get started, we'll first apply a blur effect to the footage. Move your cursor to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Effects tab. Once you're there, make sure Video Effects is selected so you're searching in the correct section. Then click into the search bar, type blur, and press Enter. You should now see the blur options appear. From there, take the classic blur effect and drag it down onto your video clip in the timeline. This applies the blur effect to the clip so we can begin shaping it. Now that the blur is on the clip, the next step is to isolate it so it only affects the text you want to hide. Click once on the blurred video clip in your timeline to make sure it's selected. Then look over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, click on the Mask tab. This is where you can control the visible area of the blur. In the mask options that appear, choose the rectangle shape. That gives you a simple, clean shape that works especially well for lines of text, spreadsheet cells, and similar on-screen elements. Next, we'll adjust the mask so it fits the text more precisely. Move your cursor into the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see the mask box with small adjustment handles around it. Grab the yellow edge handles and drag them inward so the rectangle becomes a thinner horizontal shape. This helps the blur look more accurate and professional, especially when you're covering a single line of text instead of a large area. Once the shape looks right, click inside the rectangle and drag it directly over the sensitive text you want to hide. Position it carefully so the entire text area is covered. In the preview, you should now see that the selected text is blurred out, while everything else in the video remains sharp and readable. And that's it. You've used the Effects panel to add a blur, activated the mask controls in the video settings, and resized a rectangle in the preview to target only the text you want to hide. It's quick, clean, and very effective.